Okay, back to the iPhone experiment on whether or not the iPhone is on airplane mode. Last time I hit it onto airplane mode, you can see with this microwave meter, we're very high. I'm inside a Faraday cage right now, although the Faraday cage isn't 100% closed because I want some light up above us here. So I've got two microwave meters, the Acousticom 2, and it's going to measure the microwave radiation from the iPhone. And then this meter is actually measuring both the microwave radiation, but it's also going to give us, if I can get out of the light, the reading of what frequency is being generated. So you can see the frequencies that it's measuring in addition to the amount of radiation that's coming off. So that's kind of nice to see what frequency is being generated. So we're going to get back into the airplane mode part of this. We're going to go into airplane mode. And you can see when I put this into airplane mode, it's not all the way in airplane mode. So I think this is very important for people to know. You put your phone in airplane mode, you put it in your pocket, and look at the radiation still coming off the phone. This is still not in airplane mode. So, oops. Let me just get it off the screen so you're not seeing that screen. So we want to make sure. Now when I press this, that's definitely not in airplane mode because it's blue. When I press it again, it's not turning the Bluetooth off. So on this iPhone, it does not appear that I'm able to actually turn the Bluetooth all the way off. So I'm going to see if I can get it off. So I'm either turning it totally on and it's looking for a connection, or it just says Bluetooth not connected, but it's still on Bluetooth. So if you have an iPhone, you're going to want to learn how to actually turn the Bluetooth off, because you can see that it is still projecting. I'm going to take the phone out of the cage for a minute so we can look at the values that it would be here without the iPhone inside this Faraday cage. Okay, so the iPhone has been removed. As I told you before, I can't completely shut the Faraday cage because I have this light up above us that's kind of allowing it to stay a little bit open. But you can see what happens when the iPhone is removed, how much the levels drop. And that was all due to Bluetooth. So we're really going to want to find a way to shut the Bluetooth completely off. Okay, so now we went into the settings menu, and the only way on this iPhone to turn Bluetooth off is to go to settings and then toggle your Bluetooth off. And you can see, I mean, look at this. We're at like 0. Literally just, that's how powerful that Bluetooth was from that phone. I threw it outside the Faraday cage. The Faraday cage was open a little bit because I've got these lights above me. And it was causing this to sometimes go into the orange. Now look, no reading. There is no EMF coming into this Faraday cage or the bedroom. The Faraday cage is actually quite a bit open right now. And that was 100% from the iPhone, where you would see this go way up into the orange even. So your Bluetooth is never off. And that's supposedly a feature of Apple that, let me get these lights out of our way, that they enjoy because they think you're just going to connect to so many Bluetooth devices. They think it's more convenient for you to always have this thing on, which means when you put it in your pocket, we can watch this right here. We can toggle it on and you can watch. That's what's going on in your pocket 24 hours a day, under your pillow, next to your head, on the nightstand. And you can see here, you're getting radiated with quite a bit of microwave radiation from both of these, and that's a problem. So you definitely, just by using that airplane mode feature, are not turning the Bluetooth off. Now we have the Bluetooth off, and you can see that that is not recording microwave radiation next to the phone. And the recording here is extremely tiny. This is like background microwave radiation from the neighbors, if it even leaks into here. And that's it. So iPhone, you must toggle the Bluetooth completely off using the settings for your phone not to irradiate you. Imagine everyone putting that in their pocket thinking it's on airplane mode. That's kind of a crazy feature for Apple to do such a thing. All right. Till next time.